Congratulations! You've made it to the end of the course and are now officially a product filter master. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've earned it. Over the last few videos, we've covered everything from the basics of the filter editor to the nitty-gritty of setting up advanced features. Remember those confusing field versus layout elements? Now they're your best friends. You now know how to create a filtering system that not only looks great, but also helps your customers find exactly what they're looking for, boosting your sales and keeping everyone happy to go out there and start implementing those filters. Experiment with different settings, play around with display rules, and most importantly, test. Remember, a well-optimized filtering system isn't just about making your site look better. It's about improving the entire shopping experience. It's about turning casual browsers into loyal customers. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And be sure to share your amazing filter creations in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Good luck and happy filtering. I will see you in the next course.